In this video, I am talking about overview of Salesforce. In the Salesforce, there are two versions. First version is a classic and second version is a lightning. Right now, if you log in on Salesforce, lightning version window you can see. Because of all work are going on lightning version. If you want to see classic version, then go to profile, click on the switch to classic option. You can see here, this is a classic version. After that, go back to lightning version, just click on this switch to lightning experience. This way, you come back to lightning version. After that, you can see left hand top side, there are around dotted 9 square icon. That's what we call as app launcher. This is where you can find the tabs of the object and also apps created by you. Click on the app launcher. You can see there are multiple apps. So type sales in the quick find and search it. Here you can see sales page and all standard object. This will be already provided by Salesforce. After that, how to create record in the Salesforce. So click on the account object, create new account. After that, type account name is Akash and save it. This way you can create record. At the middle top side of org, you can see global search. This is where you can find all the record as far as you need by just typing the name of the record. So right now we created Akash account. This record name you can type in the global search and search it. Inside the global search, as you can see, I am able to find out previously created account record. After that, in the right hand top side, you can see setup gear icon. Here you can do backend work, updating profile, creating objects and updating fields. This can be done by setup gear icon. Now, this icon is usually available to admins and developer. So we are going to click on the setup gear icon, and as we can see there are two tabs, home tabs and object manager tabs. Home tabs are actually will provide you all the tools provided by the Salesforce like flows, profiles and roles. Like flows, as we can search, this is the process automation tools provided by the Salesforce. And at the object manager, you will be able to find all the standard and custom object in your Salesforce. After that, in the coding part, Salesforce has its own IDE that is available in online. It can be accessed by again clicking on setup gear icon. Then going to developer console. This is the place where you can do actual coding like writing a class triggers or components. Now in order to find the basic information of login user, you can just click on this editor icon at the right top side and just click on the your username. Now just click on the user detail. You will be navigate to the login user details. So this was the all the basic overview of the Salesforce, which is essential to get started. That's it for today's video. We will see you in the next video.